Witness the peak of precision in PV inspections, as SolarSpy combines thermal drone expertise with cutting-edge AI analytics. With every detail, a guarantee of consistent and reliable results. Our drones, equipped with both thermal and RGB cameras, are getting prepared. Ascending 30 meters above Poland's second-largest site, a massive 193 megawatt power installation, we kick off our commissioning inspection. Such inspections benefit investors, asset managers, as well as operations and maintenance teams at every stage, from initial setup and regular checks to the time of sale or purchase. And with the added advantage of backing warranty claims and influencing insurance discussions, their comprehensive value is undeniable. Across this vast PV site, we capture every module in depth down to the cell level, complying with strict European standards. Being one of only 4 inspection providers recognized by SolarPower Europe, our commitment is to standardized, repeatable, and precise inspections. Our flight of precision meticulously captures over 1,500 thermal and 1,500 RGB images per 1 megawatt power, setting the stage for phase 2 of our inspection. In the next stage, the SolarSpy platform leverages AI-driven analytics to create a detailed health report of the site. AI is used to identify defects, classify them, and pinpoint their exact locations. Our insights extend beyond detection, offering a quantified impact on production for every anomaly, with expert reports providing recommendations on the next steps to resolve diagnosed issues. SolarSpy, unleashing the power of AI-driven efficiency for renewables.